Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be working on greetings in Duolingo, and this is what it looks like. So we have our statement.
Adiós.
Adiós, hasta luego. I want you to take a guess what it is. Here's your first clue. We always start with capital letters. So we're either going to do Perez or bye. Perez or bye. Good. Bye is the first one. Perez is somebody's name, and it will not change. And then I double check
Adiós.
Adios could be
Adiós.
bye, goodbye, or cheers. And I looked on here, I don't have goodbye and I don't have cheers, so I just have bye. So that's why I picked bye. Our next one, hasta luego. We've practiced this a couple times, but it's okay if you don't remember. Hasta luego. I'm going to pick something. Let's say later. Oh, it's supposed to be see you later. These two words, hasta luego, together mean see you later or I'll see you later. First I look for I'll. There's no I'll. It just says see you later. Yay!
Gracias, señora Pérez.
Gracias, Senora Perez. Again, so I look for capital letters. All right, so it's either Mrs. or thanks. Gracias. Let's see, I'll put Mrs. Oh, it's supposed to be thank. Thank you. Thank you. Senora. That I know the last one's Perez, so it should be Mrs. Perez. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to do the next one wrong so you can see what happens when you get something wrong. Oh, hola, buenas tardes is hello. I know that one. But I'm going to put something different. I'm going to say, cheese. Cheese, you. Okay, so down here it says, no, that is wrong. Don't hit continue. Look at what it says. It tells you what you're supposed to put. For hola, buenas tardes, you're supposed to put hello, good afternoon. This is important because later on it's going to ask me the same question. Hola, buenas tardes means hello, good afternoon. Antonio, that's somebody's name. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. All right, now this is a fun one. You're supposed to try to repeat this sentence. Now, I'm going to try saying it. I'm going to say it wrong. Hasta mañana, señora Rivera. Okay, it still understood me. If for some reason it doesn't, you have the button here that says skip. I'll show you next time. So that's what we're doing. We're going through, we're filling up our green all the way to the end, and then you'll be done with Duolingo. Thank you so much for stopping by today. You can get to Duolingo by going through Clever, or you can go through Duolingo. I'll leave the link in the chat if you can't do it the clever way. You can find Duolingo by sliding down here. It's the purple button here. When you click on it, I'm going to log out so you see the blank screen. Most of you, it'll just start up like here, and you'll find your assignment here, greetings. But let's pretend it doesn't. And I'll log out. Okay, so if you see this screen, we're going to click I already have an account. Click the Google button. Find your email address that says FER. This one automatically went into it. And you'll be good. Thank you so much.